What's the meaning of Christchurch? Christchurch. Christchurch.
Christchurch. Christchurch. Christchurch is a city located on the east coast of New Zealand's South Island. The name Christchurch is derived from the word Christ's Church, reflecting the city's origins as an Anglican settlement in the mid-19th century. Christchurch is known for its English heritage, sprawling gardens, and picturesque Avon River. It is also a popular gateway to the nearby Southern Alps and beautiful natural scenery. Despite suffering significant damage from a 2011 earthquake, the city remains a vibrant cultural center with a thriving arts and music scene.